Welcome to Quantum Computing Will Break Bitcoin, exploring the significant threat quantum computers pose to Bitcoin's cryptographic security. Bitcoin relies on robust cryptographic algorithms like SHA, 256, and ECDSA, currently secure against classical computers. However, these algorithms are vulnerable to advanced quantum computers, which could compromise transaction integrity. Experts disagree on the exact timeline for quantum supremacy, with predictions ranging from 5 to 10 years to 10 to 20 years or more. Chamath Palihapitiya even cautioned that Bitcoin's SHA 256 encryption might be broken within 2 to 5 years due to rapid quantum progress. Shor's algorithm, a powerful quantum algorithm, can efficiently factor large integers, directly threatening Bitcoin's ECDSA. If a quantum computer derives a private key from a public key, it could steal funds by forging transactions. Grover's algorithm could also reduce Bitcoin mining time by half, impacting mining power distribution. Post-quantum cryptography, or PQC, develops new cryptographic systems secure against both quantum and classical computers. NIST is actively standardizing PQC algorithms, creating a roadmap for migrating government systems to quantum-proof security. Bitcoin developers are exploring quantum-resistant upgrades, including a 3-phase plan to block vulnerable addresses and recover frozen assets. Another proposal suggests a soft fork to integrate post-quantum signature schemes, requiring community consensus for implementation. For investors, quantum computing poses a risk to cryptocurrency assets, making awareness of vulnerabilities crucial. Diversifying holdings and considering quantum-resistant cryptocurrencies may become prudent strategies. Experts emphasize proactive measures, with some advocating for immediate action while others believe there is more time to prepare. The Bitcoin community must prioritize quantum resistance to safeguard the future of decentralized finance. While not immediate, the quantum threat to Bitcoin is a serious concern requiring proactive attention to ensure its long-term security in the quantum era.